Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Crypto Maps is not a financial advisor. Information may be inaccurate. Crypto Maps is not responsible for any losses. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'll explain how to transfer cryptocurrencies from one centralized exchange to another. The process is quite straightforward but requires some key points to keep in mind. I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Kraken to HTX. However, the process is similar for most centralized exchanges. So don't worry if you're using a different exchange. This video can still guide you. When transferring, you will always have a sending address and a receiving address. In crypto terms, we call these the withdrawal address and the deposit address. The withdrawal address is where you currently have your cryptocurrencies, and the deposit address is where you want to send them to. In this example, Kraken is the withdrawal address, and HTX is the deposit address. To make the process easier, I recommend opening two tabs before you start. We'll be switching between these tabs frequently, so having both open will save time and make it easier in general. Let's start with the withdrawal exchange, which is Kraken in this case. To withdraw, click on your portfolio. This may vary slightly across different exchanges, but you'll generally find the Withdraw button in the portfolio section. Since we want to withdraw, we simply click on Withdraw. Next, select the currency you want to withdraw. In this example, we choose USDT. Now, select the network. This part can be tricky. It's very important to select the same network for both the withdrawal and the deposit. To find which networks are supported by both exchanges, you can use our website, cryptomaps.xyz. Here, you can select a start location and an end location, and we'll guide you step by step to the most optimized route. The website is donation-based, so it's free to use. Alternatively, you can manually find the best route. To do this, we need to go to the deposit exchange, HTX. Here, find your portfolio and click the deposit button. First, select the currency you're going to deposit, in this case, USDT. Then, select the deposit network. We see that both HTX and Kraken support several of the same networks. Going back to Kraken, our withdrawal exchange, we can see that Solana is one of the cheapest options, and is supported by both Kraken and HTX. We also select Solana at HTX. Make sure you select the same network on both exchanges, as a mistake here could result in a loss of your funds. After selecting Solana at HTX, HTX will generate a deposit address. This is a series of numbers and letters. Copy this address and paste it into Kraken. Make sure this is done correctly. Double-check the address after pasting it. Now that you have pasted the correct address in Kraken, you are ready to send. Most exchanges require additional security checks at this point, such as SMS verification, email verification, or other forms of verification. Once completed, you should receive your funds in several minutes. That is all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do not forget to give a like and leave a comment.